Hey guys, this is Swam here again, and in this video, we are going to talk about how you can integrate PayPal with your sales funnels to accept payments online. All right, guys, PayPal is a very best payment gateway platform because it's available to most of the countries on the planet Earth, and most of the countries PayPal supports. All right, so in the next 60 seconds, you would be able to understand how you can integrate PayPal with your say Clickfunnels account, and it just takes 60 seconds. And the requirement for the integration is that you must have an approved account of the PayPal. All right, let me quickly share my screen with you so that I can help you to for the integrations. All right. So this is my ClickFunnels account basically, and what you need to do is just navigate you to your funnels account settings. Scroll down a little bit, and here you will able to get an option of the payment gateways. Click over here, and if you have multiple payment gateways integration in this screen, you would be able to manage all the payment gateways. Since we have not integrated any payment gateway right now, so uh, let's click on the add new payment gateway option. In this window, ClickFunnels shows all the available platforms you can integrate with the ClickFunnels. All right, so since we are going to talk about how we can integrate PayPal V2 version, so just click on the PayPal V2 version. In the next window, it will ask you about the client ID and client secret. All right, so what you need to do is just open a new tab and enter the URL developer.paypal.com. Once you are done with that, it will ask you to log into dashboard. Click over here and enter your PayPal user ID and password and hit on login. After that, it will redirect you to the PayPal developers account. All right. Under the dashboard, there is the first option, that is my apps and credentials. Basically, all the apps and credentials have two mode. First one is sandbox and the second one is live. If your funnels are ready to go live, you can use the live apps and credentials. And if you are just testing all the funnels and the payment gateway integrations, you can click on the sandbox mode. Since I have all the funnels live, and I can go live with my funnel, so I am creating a live APIs. All right, so select live API and click on the create app button. Once you click on create app, it will ask you to enter the app name. As a reminder, all apps created under your account should be related to your business and the type of business it conducts. Right, let me enter my app name is Askmefunnels membership paper. Right, so once you are done with the app name, click on the create app. All right, I think it has taken. All right, uh, click on the create app. After that, it will show you client ID and client secret ID. Yeah, this is here, the client ID and client secret ID. Since secret ID, it will click once you hit on show. Let me first copy my client ID to my ClickFunnels account, and let me stop sharing my screen for a moment and copy my client secret ID to my ClickFunnels. All right, so once you are done with that, you have entered client ID, you have entered client secret ID, and don't forget to check this mark, because if you are going live integrations, you will need to check this mark. Otherwise, you will not be able to accept payments even you have entered the right client ID and client secret IDs. All right, so after that, click on the create PayPal V2 account, and if you have active PayPal account and you have made all the integrations right, you will get a message of the created PayPal V2 account successfully, and you would be able to manage all the payment gateways. In the case if you want to edit your PayPal V2 account and want to want to update another PayPal account, you just need to click on edit and edit all the client ID, client secret, and update PayPal V2 seconds. All right. So this is all about the integration with the ClickFunnels and PayPal V2 account. In the next video, we will talk about how you can integrate Stripe with your ClickFunnels account. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.